Good day, everyone. Today we will discuss a very important topic, preventing and responding to accidents. Accidents can happen anytime and anywhere, from schools, homes, and workplaces to public places. Our goal today is to understand how they occur, how to prevent, and how to respond properly if they happen. By the end of these lessons, you will have the knowledge and confidence to stay safe and help others in emergency situations. Let's talk about accident. Accidents can happen anywhere to anyone, but we can prevent and respond to them. Paano natin mapiprevent? Pwede natin siyang mai-prevent kung tayo ay maingat, 'di ba? Yung kaya nating halimbawa nakita natin medyo, oh, basa ang sahig. So, dapat dahan-dahan tayong naglalakad. Pero kasi nga sabi nila ang accident daw ay unplanned, unexpected. Even event can causes injury or damage. So, kung hindi 'to sinasadya, hindi natin napansin, halimbawa, ang wet floor ay hindi natin napansin na basa pala. Dumaan ka, nadulas ka. So, yun yung tinatawag na accident. Mag-ingat tayo sa napi-prevent, okay? Ano daw yung mga common types of accident? Burns, choking, cuts, and wounds, painting, sprains. So, pag kayo naman ay na-burns, ah, should be cooled under running water. Then cover with a clean cloth to protect the area. Avoid using creams or ice as they can worsen the injury. So, sabi natin dati, di ba, yung sabi ng mga matanda, kapag tayo ay napaso, anuhan daw kagad ng malamig na tubig, tapos lagyan ng ng cream or ice para daw hindi daw yung lumobo. Pero according dito sa ating nabasa, kapag tayo pala ay napaso, dapat 'wag lalagyan ng creams or ice para hindi siya lumala, okay? Lagyan lang siya ng cloth para hindi siya para lang ma-protect yung area, okay? Choking blocks the airway, help encouraging coughing or using back blows and abdominal thrust. Kapag daw tayo ay na-choke or nabulunan or may pumasok na hindi may bara sa ating lalamunan, encourage daw natin na yung tao ay umubo ng umubo para palabas ng mailabas yung nakabara sa lalamunan natin, okay? Or yung nakabara dito sa airways natin, okay? So, hindi kailangan batukan ha. Kailangan, o ganon, okay? Ano naman yung cuts and wounds? Cuts and wounds should be cleaned. Pressure applied to stop bleeding and covered to prevent infection and aid healing. Okay? Linisin ang sugat. Applied to stop bleeding. I-apply yung yung parang huminto yung yung pag-stop na yung dugo niya, and cover to prevent infection and aid healing. Okay? Painting is a grip unconscious. Lay the person flat, raise the lower legs, and ensure the fresh air until they recover. Okay. Ito yung mga biglang nawalan ng malay, di ba? Mga karamihan dito mga nahilo hanggang sa So, ang gagawin natin sa kanya ay ihiga yung tao sa flat na higaan. Tapos itaas ang paa to ensure na makakuha siya ng hangin hanggang sa makarecover siya. Okay? Sprains. Sprains are ligament injuries treated with rest. Okay? Lagyan ng ice, compressions, and elevations to ease and swelling the pain para matanggal lang yung sakit. Okay? Para pampaimpis din. Lagyan ng ice. sabay nun ay ipahinga. Baka na nga may sprain ka na, nilakad mo pa ng nilakad, eh di lalong lumala, okay? Nagiging causes ng accidents. So, unsafe behavior, unsafe environment, lack of awareness, poor maintenance, carelessness. Preventive strategies. Laging dapat malinis o maayos yung lalakaran. Laging titignan para hindi ka makaiwas ka sa accident. Kung mga sharp objects naman ang iyong hahawakan, dapat tama ang iyong paghawak. At yung mga chemicals na alam mong delikado, itago sa safe or sa nakatago na hindi kayang abutin ng bata or hindi mapagkakamalan na mga bagay na panimpla. Okay? Lagyan lagi ng labels. This is a chemical. Okay? Pag kayo naman ay nasa biyahe, lagyan ng helmet. Kung kayo nagmumotor, mag-helmet. Gumamit ng mga protective equipment or mga gear, gloves. Okay? Kung kayo naman ay construction worker, dapat may ang shoes nyo yung pang safety shoes na tinatawag yung matitigas. Tapos dapat may helmet pa rin. So, para makaiwas. So, dapat alam natin yung mga ganung bagay. So, sa first aid, yan. Kailangan may lagi tayo sa first aid kit natin, dapat lagi tayong may mga basic needs na kailangan na nandun sa first aid, yung thermometer, dapat meron ka, mga, mga betadine. So, dapat yun lang laging meron kang first aid kit. Na para pag may nakita kang situation na may nasugatan, alam mo na yung gagawin mo. Meron kang kukunin sa bag mo. Alam mo na rin yung dapat mong gawin kapag may nalaglag or may tinamaan, dapat tutawag tayo ng tulong. At kung medyo tawag dito, napaso, cool water 5 to 10 minutes. No ice water, no cover. Okay? Okay, let's refresh. Who knows how to help someone with burn? Sino nga? Sinong gusto sumagot? Who knows how to help someone with a burn? Okay, very good. Pag burn, huhugasan ng malamig na tubig. 5 to 10 minutes. Correct. What about a fall? What the first thing ano yung una mong gagawin kapag may nakita kang nahimatay? Okay, yes. Check for safety first, okay? Make sure your area is safe before helping. Tama ka doon, ma'am. Very good. Safety, do this step. Check the person without moving them. Tama. Kasi hindi natin sila pwedeng basta-basta na lang galawin. Kasi baka mamaya may fracture siya, nalaglag siya. Kasi di ba nalaglag, di ba? Or bigla na lang siya, baka may bali-bali. So, hindi natin sila pwedeng pakialaman. Tama. Look for a sign of injury. Check if they hit their head, twisted their legs, or have difficulty in breathing. Tama po kayo dyan, ma'am. So, para magawa natin yung napag-aralan natin, divide into 4 or 5 groups. Get a scenario card. Prepare to share type of accident, causes preventions, first aid step. Then, i-role play nyo yan. Okay? I'm giving you an assignment for next meeting. Number 1, make a safety checklist for home, school, and workplace. Submit that next meeting. Okay? Remember, safety is in our hands. Stay careful and ready to help. Okay? Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.